In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type emails using your voice in Gmail on Google Chrome. If you're looking to save time and increase your productivity, this is a fantastic way to dictate messages without having to touch the keyboard. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser, which in this case should be Google Chrome. This method relies on a Chrome extension, so it's important that you're using this browser. Once you have Chrome open, look to the right side of your browser where you'll see the Google Apps icon. It looks like a small grid of dots. Go ahead and click on this. Now we need to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Clicking on the Google Apps icon will open a menu where you can select the Chrome Web Store. Once inside the store, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top left. Here, you'll want to enter the search term voice in and hit enter. After the search results pop up, locate the voice in extension. You'll see an option that says add to Chrome. Click this button to initiate the installation process. A small window might appear asking for confirmation, so click on add extension. The installation will take just a few moments. Once complete, it's a good idea to pin the extension for easy access. To do this, look at the top right of your Chrome browser, near the three vertical dots for the settings menu. You should see a puzzle piece icon for extensions. Click on this, find voice in, and click the pin icon next to it. This will make sure the extension is always visible in your toolbar. With the extension installed and pinned, it's time to head over to Gmail. Open another tab and navigate to Gmail. Once there, look for the Compose button to begin drafting a new email. In the composition window, you'll use the recently added Voice In extension to start dictating your email. Click on the extension icon in your browser. You should notice a microphone icon indicating that voice dictation is active. Simply start speaking and you'll see your words appear in the email body. It's really that simple. Using voice typing can be a remarkable change in how quickly and efficiently you handle email communication. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how much time and effort this method can save you. If you have any questions or need help troubleshooting, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tips like this one.